Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to react to a message in a group chat on Facebook using your PC with the new update. Let's get started. The first step is to go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the group chat where you want to react to a message. Next, open the conversation and locate the message that you want to react to. Hover over the message with your cursor, and you'll see a new option pop up. It says React. Click on this option to bring up a list of reactions that you can choose from. Now, it's time to choose a reaction. Click on the reaction that best represents how you feel about the message. Whether it's a thumbs up, a heart, a laughing face, or any other reaction. Pick the one that suits the message best. And that's it. You've successfully reacted to a message in a group chat on Facebook using your PC. It's a quick and easy way to engage with your friends and show your appreciation for their messages. So next time you're scrolling through your group chats, don't forget to react to the messages that catch your eye. It's a fun and simple way to communicate with your friends on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.